Hi everyone, today I will share how to create your own Flash token on the EVM network. I will make USDT ERC20 as an example. For this we need 0.05 ETH. With these investments we will craft 30,000 USDT Flash. We will use Remix Ethereum org. Create a new file and name it USDT SOL with capital letters. Copy the code in the description, it is the base of our smart contract. Now we need to compile our smart contract. Go to the next tab, Solidity Compiler, and select version 0.66+. After successful compilation, go to Deploy and Run Transaction. In the Environment tab, select Wallet Connect. Connect our cold wallet. In the token name line, enter Tether in token symbol USDT and press Transact. In max fee, round the number to integer upwards. Confirm our transaction. The first payment is the most expensive and can cost around $20–40. Now we wait a few seconds. We see everything was successful and the address is displayed on the screen. This is the address of our smart contract. I will show you in Etherscan that the contract has been created with no cheating here. This is our smart contract that has just been created. Now we will top up our smart contract. I will top it up with a minimum amount of 0.5 ETH. Insert the address of our smart contract, write the amount, and confirm the transaction. In this transaction, the commission will be about $13. Wait for the transaction confirmation. Refresh the page and see that the contract has been topped up. Go back to the remix and wait for the balance to be displayed. It is sometimes displayed at once, sometimes you need to wait a bit. Once displayed, click Start and do not forget to specify the max fee. Now we wait for transaction confirmation. Once confirmed, click Withdraw and confirm the transaction again. Now wait for about 2 minutes, and if you've done everything correctly, your Flash token will appear in your wallet. If you have any questions, DM in Telegram, Tickle Crypto, link in profile and description.